And now.
Another step, 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 step. Oh my knees, oh my knees, oh my knees.
Well, that's neat looking.
I guess that's where they would put the fire at. I don't know. Ooh, what is that? You don't know? Mosquito or spider?
Probably a mosquito.
Yeah. It's bitten me. Ooh, she's a little wet. A little. Alright. The cooker Ford side. What is this? More information.
That's pretty neat. Did you look inside?
Yeah. Like a big old burn hole up there. Huge. I guess that's where it would burn at, I guess. I don't know. Smack the heck out of that wall.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah. Something went.
Oh, you heard it?
Oh, yeah.
When? Just now?
I don't know what's in this, man.
Go for a swim and find out.
I don't see nothing.
So what were these stones for, did it say?
What stone?
These.
Oh, no, right? I don't know what it was there.
Oh, I heard a splash.
There's a splash. A couple splashes. Hey, there's a little guy swimming in there.
Little fish?
Yeah.
Minnows. Can't believe all the trash is washed up in here.
Yep. I'm fell in it.
Go ahead, babe. Go for a swim. What in the world?
Like, laugh. What is that? Oh, what mess with that?
I don't know what it is. It'll be fine. I'll touch you in a minute.
A whole bunch of bubbles. I guess that's the way to come down and mow it.
That's neat looking, though.
It took them a year to build that.
Really?
Yep. It took them a year.
All right, babe. Run right through here. Look like someone does like a fire and they come down and sit around it or something.
Some knuckleheads run their dog down here.
Yeah, I've seen that. People don't know how to clean up after their animals. Look, right there too. Don't step in it.
What?
All right, babe. Staying close to the edge.
Say move off. Do you know how many bullets probably laying in there?
How about arrowheads?
A whole bunch of it. I'm sure. If there was a way to get like a sonar to bounce it there and bounce it back up, see what images they have.
What is that?
I don't even want to know.
Looks like wood.
Yeah.
Maybe.